Hello, my name is Nixie and it's day 10 of Inktober. The prompt for today is pattern. I did something that I've been wanting to try out for a while now, and that is laying down a thin layer of water and then using my Pentel Pocket brush pen on top of it, like what you do with watercolors. And I'm just really curious about how it'll look like and the texture it will create. And I can honestly say I'm very happy with the result. I really wanted to just keep that on his hair, just letting its natural texture to be the detail of the hair. And you can see that on the right side, the water actually dried super quickly. And then later on, I will put few details on the hair when it dries, just to give it, I guess, more depth. As I'm drawing the eyes, you can see that I kind of did his eyelash thing uneven. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit of a trick when you're doing line art, like what I do. So what I do to hide mistakes like that is actually just cover it with hatching, because it's a very small detail anyway. And when you take a photo of it and post it, no one's really gonna notice that there's a tiny mistake there. And since we're doing Inktober, we're not really trying to make something perfect. Like a master once said, work smart, not hard. So keep that in mind and don't stress about little mistakes, okay? And here I'm trying not to put a lot of wrinkles and folds on the clothes, because that's right, I went with a very simple and obvious thing to draw with this prompt, which is patterns on the shirt and the clothes. So I'm really trying my best to not put a lot of folds there, because it wouldn't be necessary, because I will be filling all his shirt and his pants and his shoe with the pattern that I do, which is a doodle that I draw whenever I'm being bored in school, or I don't know what to draw but I still want to draw. So I usually doodle that, like circle things next to each other but making sure the lines don't touch each other, so it kind of looks like a water ripple or something like that. So yeah, that's the pattern that I decided to put on his clothing. Also, if you ask me my favorite parts of this artwork, that would be the cat and the burger round cushion chair thing. I mean, is there a thing? Is there really a chair like that? Because if there is, I need it, like right now, in my living room. And that is all. I guess this artwork actually speaks for itself, so I'm not really gonna say a lot about it. I'll see you tomorrow for day 11. Happy watching and bye!